Okay, here we are at the POD Product Stager. First thing to do is to get this bookmarklet into the toolbar. Drop it somewhere convenient. And what it does is it lets me grab images from a POD website store. So here we are on the store whose images I want to grab. I click the bookmarklet, move down until I've highlighted the area that contains the images that I'm interested in, and then I click. Now it can be a bit tricky to get the area with the images clicked correctly. If that happens to you, just refresh the page, click the image grabber bookmarklet again, and try once more. Here's all the image links that were contained in that area. Select all, copy, come round to the POD Product Stager and paste them in here. Add them into this pre-staging area, and there they are. Now I want the store link automatically added to the template when I use it, so I'm going to put it in there. So let's grab it first. And paste it. Okay. Now let's choose the template that we want. Now I'm going to use a Pinterest one, and I want to autofill the placeholders in the template once it's loaded. The Pinterest one I'm going to use is this one. So I've clicked it, and I'm told that it's been loaded, and I'm told that 5 product images have been added to it. And if I scroll up, there it is, and you'll see that the store link has been added to the place for it in the template. These red lines just indicate where the product image placeholders are. Without further ado, let's go into Screenshot Preview, and because I'm using Firefox, this is really easy. I use its inbuilt screenshotter, hover over the graphic, click, and download. And that's the screenshot taken. So now I want to get round to Pinterest, and now I can add a pin. Here's me creating it. Click here so that I can select what I've just downloaded. And there it is. And now I need to give it a title. And now add the destination link. Well, we've already got that, so let's just grab it again. And that's a bit naughty of Pinterest, concealing it behind the scroll bar, but never mind. Okay, so that's it published. Let's see the pin. And a quick click just to see it take us to that store. And that's it done. Now just remember that the place you get it from is on the Nifty Tools website, and it's held there in other Nifty Tools, the POD Product Stager. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now.